Jai Hind, my dear students. Welcome back in my class. So today my topic is my body and my senses. Okay. So my dear students, as you all know that our body has different body parts. Okay, and each part is called by its name. For example, I have two eyes. This is my head. These are my fingers. So each and every body part is called by its name. Okay, and some body parts are similar also. We have similar body parts also. For example, I have two eyes, you also have two eyes. Okay, but in some ways we are different also. How we are different? Some are short, some are big, some are small, some are short, some are small and some are big. Okay, and some are fat, some are thin. So these ways we are different from each other. Okay, now we will learn about the names of our body parts. Okay, what we will learn today? Names of our body parts. The first thing, I will start from top to toe. Okay, so the first thing which comes in our body is head. Okay, so I will draw head for you. So this part is our head. Okay, the second we have here this is our hair. Okay, the third we have forehead. So my dear student, this is our forehead. Okay, you can say this part of my body is my forehead. This part of my body is my head. And here's these black things, these are my hairs. Okay. Number 4 we also have two eyes. Okay. So these are my eyes. Then we have ears. So these are my ears. Number 6, my dear students, we have very important, without which every individual will look different, that is our nose. Okay, just imagine my dear students, अगर हमारे पास नोज नहीं होती, ठीक है, तो हम कैसे लगते? तो हमारा फेस जो है पूरा क्लियर होता है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस नोज वी हैव we have beauty. Okay, it describe about our beauty also. So nose is very important. Okay, then my dear students, we have mouth. Mouth is also an important part. As you all know that we eat with our mouth. Okay, so this is our mouth. Okay, my dear students, so these are some of the things, very important things which every individual or every human beings have. Okay, not last, but at the 8th number we have our cheeks. Okay, So these are my cheeks. Then my dear students, we have chin also. So this part, okay, is our chin. Okay, as you can see here, we call this part, whole part is called jaw, and only this part of mine is called chin. Okay, so my dear students, these are the names of some of the body parts, okay, which are above our neck. Now we will learn about more body parts, our whole body parts. Okay, number 10. Then after chin we have our neck. Okay, then 11 number, then we have our arms. Number 12, we have our hands. Number 13, we have fingers. Number 14, we have thumb. Okay, so these are my fingers and this is my thumb. Okay, then my dear students, we have chest. Okay, so this part is our chest. Then we have stomach. So my dear student, this part is our stomach. Okay, then after that we have our waist. Waist means कमर. ठीक है, then we have हमारी कमर होती है. After that we have hips. Okay, this is also important. So 18 number we have hips, and then 19, my dear students, we have thigh. Okay, 20 number after thigh, what will come? Knees. 21 we have, my dear students, leg. Okay, then 22 we have foot, very easy. Then we have foot, toe, and last we have fingers. Okay, so my dear students, these are the 24, some of our body parts. Okay, my dear students, there are by these body parts, these are very helpful for us. Okay, for example, hand. By hand it helps in writing, it helps in working some other things. Okay, and then we have many things like leg, I mean by my foot, we run with the help of my foot. Okay, and many other works we do with the help of my body parts. Okay, so now my dear students, I will tell you about some of my senses organ also. My dear students, now we will learn about my senses. My senses is also an important organ. How they are important? If we don't have our nose, then how we will able to smell? If we don't have my tongue, so how we will able to taste? If I don't have skin, then how I will recognize that this thing is cold and that thing is hot? So our sense organ helps in recognizing the taste, the feelings, the smell, these things in our body. Okay, so we have 5 sense organ. Okay, we have 5 sense organ. Number 1 we have our eyes. So these are my eyes. Okay. Now what is the work of these eyes? It helps in eyes helps to watch the things. Okay, or you can say eyes help us to see. Okay, then my dear students, number 2 we have ears. Okay, so these are our ears. So what is the work of ears? They help to hear. Hear मतलब सुनना, हेल्प करते हैं हमारी सुनने में. As your ear right now is able to hear my voice. Okay. Then my dear students, we have at the 3rd number nose. Okay. So this is my nose. What is the work of this nose? It helps to smell. Okay. For example, if some fragrance is coming, so how you will able to recognize it? From your nose. Okay, you will smell the fragrance. Okay, and then you will say, wow, what a beautiful smell. Okay. Number 4, my dear students, we have tongue. Okay. Suppose this is my mouth and this is my tongue. ठीक है, tongue. What is the work of tongue? It helps to taste. Okay. For example, if you are eating ice cream and it is sweet in taste, so how you will able to recognize that it is sweet? With the help of your tongue. Tongue has different taste buds. Okay, sour, bitter and many more. Okay, so with that you will be able to understand that the ice cream is sweet or sour. Okay, so my dear student, last is left. Okay, this is my hand and in this we have my skin. Okay, so what is the work of skin? We feel with the help of skin. Okay, now I will give you example. Okay, I am cooking something in my kitchen. ठीक है, if that hot pan, or you can say that hot pan, if it just stick on my hand, so what I will feel? I will feel hot. That means my brain will give this message that it is hot. And if I will touch ice ball or ice cube, then my brain will send message that it is cold. So how we are able to feel that thing? We are able to feel that thing with the help of skin. Okay, so my dear students, you can see and you can use this activity in your daily life also. Okay, so make the sense organs in your notebooks. Okay, and tell them we practice the things. Thank you and Jai Hind.